Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Tired of constantly switching browser tabs just to translate text? What if you could open Google Translate directly from your desktop, just like a normal application on your computer? Well, good news, you actually can, and the setup is super quick and easy. So let's get this done. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome opens, go to the Google Translate website. You can simply type translate.google.com into the address bar at the top and press Enter. Now wait for the Google Translate page to fully load. All right, now look toward the top right corner of Google Chrome. You should see 3 small vertical dots. That's the main Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Now slowly move down until you find the section that says Cast, Save, and Share. Once you hover your mouse over it, another side menu will pop out. And right there, you should see the option that says Install Google Translate. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click it, Google Chrome will display a small pop-up window asking if you want to install Google Translate as an app. Now simply click Install. And just like that, Google Translate is now installed on your Windows PC or laptop as a desktop application. Super easy, right? Now you can open Google Translate directly from your desktop, your Start menu, or your Applications folder, without needing to first open a browser tab. When you launch it, it opens in its own clean, dedicated window, making it feel just like a normal software application on your computer. And here's something even better. You can right-click the app and pin it directly to your taskbar for even faster access anytime you need translations. No more jumping between multiple tabs. No more distractions. Just quick and easy translating whenever you need it. Very convenient. Especially if you use Google Translate often for school, work, research, or communication. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and useful tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.